Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to making stuffed chicken with white cream. Okay, cream sauce. I have every ingredients here. I have ham chicken, I already make it ham. Okay, I have onion, mushroom, I have green bell pepper, I have cheese, and then I have coconut oil also, salt. Okay, now I start just marination with oil. Okay, chicken breast. Now guys, I put chicken here. Okay, now we start the stuffing. Okay, I will show you one by one. Take this chicken. Wait. Okay guys, now we put cheese. Enough. Now I try to make now guys, I already make it roll. Okay, I stuff already chicken. Okay, now we put in the oven. We making oven bake. Okay, let's see after 10 minutes. Okay, inshallah they are okay. Now guys, I make it 250. Okay, let's see after 10 minutes, and then I will show you what we want to do again. Okay, now guys, we start making our white cream sauce. Okay, I have so many ingredients here. Okay, first of all, I put very less oil. Okay, not too much. And then I will put there mushroom, onion. Okay, and then I put corn and cheese. Now guys, we add milk. Okay, enough. Now heavy cream. Now guys, we wait until the milk is boiled. Okay, and then we put methi and garlic powder, salt and black pepper also. Now we add methi. Okay guys, and then we add black pepper. Enough. And then we have garlic also. Enough. And salt. Don't need too much. Now guys, our cream is done. We set aside. Okay, we check our chicken. Guys, our chicken is done. Okay, Bismillah. Yes. Hello guys, now we are going to cutting our chicken. Okay. Now guys, we will put sauce our chicken. Okay, on the top. Enough. Hello guys, now our stuffed chicken is ready. Okay, now we are going to eating. You check. Bismillah. Guys, with white sauce. Mashallah, guys, very nice, very tasty, very delicious. Very nice.
Oh my god! Wow!
Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. Please don't forget subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much.